One of my tomato plants is twice the size of the others. And here's the kicker. It was planted up to 2 weeks later. What in the compost is going on here? The Bowtie Bunch is about to launch a little experiment here and find out why this plant took such a lead and whether a few scoops of compost can help the others catch up. Stick around. This could change how you grow everything. Hi, I'm Bowtie Dave. Hey friends, Bowtie David here with a tomato head scratcher. I planted 4 Principe Borghese tomatoes in this bed. And today, one of them is over twice the size as the others. I thought maybe it was the compost I added when I planted it. And then it dawned on me. This big one was planted last by as much as 2 weeks. Same bed, same sunlight, same water, but compost and a delayed start. That combination may have sparked a tomato miracle. So today I'm digging in around these other 3 very gently, giving them a scoop or 2 of compost right at the roots. Might ruffle a few hairs down there, but if it gets them growing like this latecomer, it'll be worth it.
Even pirates need compost.
And it's not just these Principe Borghese. I've got 4, maybe 5 other Everglades tomatoes I'm going to do the same to. They'll be getting a compost top dress soon too. Not root digging here, but a good layer of nutrients all the same. This is officially an experiment now. Can compost, even added weeks later, turn around stunted growth? And how long will it take to catch up? What's your guess? Drop a comment. How many days till we see real progress? Or will the big guy keep the crown? If you've ever had a plant come from behind and take the lead like that, share that story in the comments below. I would love to hear it. And of course, be sure to like and subscribe on this video so that you can find out what happens with these things. They're going to be covered in the Raised Garden Bed Tour at the end of every month. You'll be able to follow this little tomato comeback story as it unfolds. And of course, remember, your garden doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be yours. Y'all have a blessed day.